You want to get more business. That's where the money is. Okay.
Show me the money.
Right. So you want to get more business by selling your product, your whatever that is. Okay. Whether it's home automation, whether it's wires, whether it's cables, whatever that is. Correct? Yes. Okay. So now the prospect is right here. Okay. So this is a prospect. Okay. And you are putting the webinar somewhere here in the middle. Okay. So let's just pretend this is a webinar. Okay. This is where the webinar is. And the webinar is going to help you to sell. Is that what I'm understanding?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, good. So now, why would this prospect needs to come and see this webinar? What's in it for him?
Education.
Education.
Yeah. Okay. New products, new solutions.
All right. Okay, good. So in order for him to invite him to this education, you need to sell him. You need to use the system that I'm explaining to you to sell him into coming to this webinar, because people are bombarded with webinars, especially with free webinars. They don't have time to sit 1 more hour in front of the screen. So you need to use the same system that I've been attempting to, present to you in order for you to lock in this person to come and see your webinar. And once you see your webinar, now you have to do a different type of sale. This is not one-on-one sale anymore. This is more of a group sale. This is a different strategy. But it's the same system, but it's a different strategy. So now once you get them on the webinar, you want to set up an appointment, a one-on-one. So before this goes to that, there's one more step here that's called the one-on-one. So we're gonna put it here, one-on-one. Okay, so that is the next level. So the first level is you pick up the phone, you sell the prospect to why he needs to come, or why was it good for him to come and attend this webinar. They come to attend this webinar with a strategy that I have in place, which is very solid, bulletproof, is going to get you to get appointments, one-on-one appointments with this person, with these people right here, whoever that shows. Once you have the one-on-one, now you're having a one-on-one sale, that's something that, according to what you guys said, you already know how to do it. You don't need any help with it. So I can help you to get here, and then you can take it from there. Would that be helpful? We're going to start thinking a little bit bigger. Okay. We're still thinking, in transactional. We're talking about, I want you to start thinking you're as an advisor. You're not a salesperson. You are a trusted advisor. My goal of you, once you go through the system and you master it, you don't become a salesperson. You become a trusted advisor, which means someone will call you just to get advice from you and get referrals from you, even that they know that you're not going to be able to help them in that specific thing, but because they trust you, they know that you're going to be able to guide them to the right places. Now we're talking. Now you'll be able to make millions of dollars because now you're a trusted advisor. You're no longer a salesperson. But either way, you're going to be applying the same system that I shared with you to sell them into the webinar. And then you're going to apply the same system with a slightly different strategy. You're selling to a group right now to get them to the one-on-one. And once you get them to the one-on-one, you're going to use the same system, one-on-one, in order to sell them into the product and service. And now, like you said, we've been giving you some of these techniques and skills. And now, like you said, now we have a strategy, we have a pathway. So starting tomorrow, inshallah, we are going to implement how we are going to prospect. This is now prospecting. This is not really like, it is selling, but this is prospecting. This is step one.